Where's the market and the global economy headed? Hey, I can't predict the future, but I can try and interpret the headlines from a contrarian perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look back at the bull run of 2017. The buzzword being bantered about was synchronized global growth. That phrase appeared on the cover of the March edition of the Economist Magazine, and by the end of the year, it was ubiquitous. And once it was on the lips of every media pundit, well, that's when the market peaked. By early 2018, it became evident that the Federal Reserve was going to squelch the economy by raising interest rates. That was at the same time that President Trump was imposing tariffs on China. At first, it looked like the market might be consolidating, but things got worse. The Fed increased their tightening as Trump doubled down on the trade war. By October, emerging markets had dropped over 26% from their peak, and on Christmas Eve 2018, the S&P was down just shy of 20%. Things got so bad that the new year was ushered in with a cover story from the Economist Magazine declaring that we were clearly in a state of slow growth. So slow, in fact, that they called it Slowbalisation. From a contrarian point of view, it was no surprise that the economists took on a bearish stance right when the market was bottoming and consolidating. So what contrarian insights can we glean from today's headlines? Well, the Economist Magazine has ended 2019 with a rather gloomy cover story about pessimism. So with that negative tone in mind, I'd assume the global economy will continue to improve until the Economist takes note and proclaims the next bull market cycle. Well, hey, that's just my opinion. As always, thanks for watching. Until the next episode, this is John Pugliano wishing you the very best returns.